I was the first generation American. And so there was a lot of music that happened. My uncle, my mother's brother, had a rhinestone blue mother of pearl accordion.
I played the accordion for 5 years. My teacher was an Italian guy, Mr. Yolano.
So anyway, he had this thing. And every New Year's Eve, and he would do kind of an Italian traditional thing. I'm sure it's not happening anymore, but he would go to a friend's house, have a few shots. Friend would go to another friend's house, so it'd be two, and then three, and then four. By the time New Year, midnight rolled around, there was like 30, 40 people in the group. And they were traveling from house to house. The last house was my house, my mother's house. So he's in there with this mother of pearl rhinestone accordion, and everyone's singing all these songs, and it's like, really great, great vibe.